what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today's Monday, July 22nd, and it's day one of personal training. I'm making this video because a lot of you guys requested to see it. I don't know if you guys are on the same bus as I am, where I'm driving the little struggle bus. I'm not sitting in it, but I decided to do this because I basically suck at doing anything by myself. I need that extra push, and if you guys struggle with the same thing, then getting a personal trainer is probably the best thing that you could do. I had a personal trainer in the past, like about 2 years ago, but I only had her for a month because I ended up getting pregnant right away. I went on, I had my daughter or whatever, and now I just gained weight again. But I'm in the process of this little weight loss journey. If you guys do not know, I'm also taking Herbalife. So I drink my shakes and my teas every day the way that you're supposed to. So far I've lost 15 pounds. So I've already lost some weight by myself. I'll insert the pictures here, right here, so that you guys can see them, what I've been able to do with just Herbalife by itself. But now that I'm gonna be training 3 times a week for an hour, I'm gonna see how that goes and then see if I don't die. But the plan is to be able to come 5 days out of the week in the future. I don't want to just come 3 days. At least 5 times a week is gonna be like fine, but at the beginning, I mean 3 times a week is okay. The reason I wanted to start recording all of this as of right now is because I searched high and low on YouTube, like trying to find videos about bigger girls starting their like weight loss journeys and stuff, and I didn't find not one. All of them show their progress like as they started, but it's all like once they've already lost all this weight. They don't show like since the very beginning, and that's something that I want to show you guys. Like, I want to bring you guys along everything, like the entire journey. See me as I am, and then once I'm skinny and stuff, hopefully. But because you don't see that, I want to show you guys that here. So let's go. We just got here at Studio 1007, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully I don't die.
What is like maybe the main thing, or maybe somewhere where you like to isolate, but it's not too important for you? What would you say?
My legs,
Okay.
for one,
Okay.
and then this, and my arms.
Okay. Okay. So like I've explained to you before, it's going to be very simple the way you set it up. 4 rounds, and then 8 to 10 until 15 reps. We'll plan on you to go that high. So I don't want you to be super sore, and obviously I want you to come back.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to take things very like easy today. Not, I don't want to say easy, but it's going to be more of a measure or like an aptitude test, right? Like, so how much can you take on, and you know, what feels like a little bit too intense for you and things like that. So you might be a little bit sore, but it's not going to be like a full-blown workout, right? So you don't need to be nervous.
No,
Super good, very good. All right, before we get started, I want you to let's see, warm up a little bit here on the
It is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, 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 like I do. you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like
back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head.
So definitely stretch, drink a ton of water. Do you have any questions for me?
No, but I'll be back Wednesday. That's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear.
Good. So you killed it. We targeted here, 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 here.
I did the damn thing. It is 3 on the dot, and I'm shocked. I went over my little workout ring. Look at that. I moved 782 out of 610 calories. 782 out of 610 calories, and I worked out 55 minutes out of 30 that my stupid watch tells me to do. I was telling Gabby that I really thought that I was gonna, like, I wasn't gonna be able to do everything. I was so scared that I was gonna like want to quit halfway, but I didn't. I did it, and I'm excited. Like, I'm proud of myself because I really thought I was gonna die. I was so scared because I thought it was gonna be really, really bad, and it wasn't all that. Like, you can do it. All the girls who I asked said she's gonna kill you, it's gonna be super intense. It was intense, but it's not like, I don't know, it's just, don't be scared. Don't be scared of it, because it's not that bad. Once you step into it, it's not gonna be that bad. Throughout the entire thing, my, how do you say it, like I was trying to compete with myself. Does that make sense? Like, I was trying to just push myself to keep going and to keep doing more. So it's fun, you guys. If you guys were on the same boat as me, just do it. Just go for it. And if getting a personal trainer is what you have to do, and it's expensive, but if it's something that you can afford for a month, just do it for a month. Like, learn everything that you have to do and get comfortable with it, and then just go by yourself. So it's pretty good. I'm excited. I go back on Wednesday. It's 3 times a week for an hour. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment box, and I will help you out as much as I can. If not, I will talk to Gabby, ask her if there's anything that you guys need help with that she guys can help you with through me. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, hit up Gabby. And even on Instagram, I'm pretty sure like she can help someone, right?
Yeah, if she has, I mean, she's always willing to help people out.
Yeah, if you guys are not from here and you guys want to ask her questions about working out and stuff, I'll leave her Instagram name in the description box. That way you guys can contact her yourself. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go rest now because my legs, like, I'm starting to feel it in my legs pretty bad. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not be scared, you guys. Just do the damn thing and let's get it. We'll see you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog on Wednesday though when I go back. Maybe I will do like one of these videos a week. Like every Monday I will film a video, just so that you guys can see where I'm at like as the weeks go by and stuff. So if that's something that you guys want to see, give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.